Every year, millions set out to lose weight, but most quit within weeks. Not because they lack willpower, but because they start wrong, pushing too hard, burning out, or following routines made for athletes, not beginners. This start and quit cycle slows metabolism, drains motivation, and makes weight loss feel impossible. The good news? You don't need extreme workouts, just simple, beginner-friendly steps that last. Today, we'll cover 5 effective beginner workout tips for weight loss in 2025. Tip 1, start with walking, not running. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking that running is the fastest way to lose weight. While running does burn calories, it also puts heavy stress on your joints, especially if your body isn't conditioned yet. This often leads to shin splints, knee pain, or plain exhaustion, which is why so many people quit after only a few tries. Walking, on the other hand, is low impact, sustainable, and surprisingly powerful. A brisk 30 to 40 minute walk can burn between 150 to 250 calories depending on your pace and body weight. But here's the hidden benefit. Walking lowers stress hormones like cortisol, which play a direct role in fat storage around the belly. If you're starting today, aim for 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily. That doesn't mean you need a treadmill walk after dinner, take the stairs, or pace while on calls. It's the simplest way to ignite fat loss without scaring your body into quitting. Tip 2, strength training builds a fat-burning body. Cardio often gets all the attention for weight loss, but here's the truth. Cardio burns calories only while you're doing it. Strength training keeps burning long after you've stopped. When you build lean muscle, even just a little, your body's resting metabolism goes up. That means you burn more calories sitting at your desk, watching TV, or even sleeping. According to recent fitness studies, just 2 to 3 strength workouts per week can significantly improve fat loss results for beginners. And you don't need fancy machines. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, planks, and lunges are more than enough to start. Resistance bands or light dumbbells can add variety as you progress. Think of strength training as an investment. You're not just losing fat today, you're reshaping your body to naturally burn more energy tomorrow. Tip 3, short workouts are more effective than marathons. Many beginners believe that longer workouts mean faster results. The problem? Long sessions are intimidating, hard to fit into busy lives, and nearly impossible to maintain. In reality, short workouts done consistently are far more effective. Research on high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, shows that even 15 to 20 minutes of effort can burn as much fat as a full hour of steady cardio. For beginners, this doesn't mean crushing yourself with burpees, but keeping workouts manageable and regular. Start with this simple formula: 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Mix brisk walking with short body weight movements. Over time, your fitness will improve and those 20 minutes will feel easier, a clear sign you're getting stronger. Consistency beats intensity every time. A short workout you actually do is worth more than a 2-hour session you never start. Tip 4, focus on movement, not machines. Modern gyms are packed with machines that look complicated and overwhelming. Beginners often waste time hopping from one to another without really understanding what they're doing. But weight loss doesn't depend on machines, it depends on movement. Functional exercises, the ones that train your body the way it actually moves in daily life, are the best starting point. Think about squatting down, pushing yourself up, or twisting your core. These movements engage multiple muscles at once, which burns more calories and improves coordination. The best part? You don't need a gym membership at all. Dancing in your room, doing yoga stretches, or following a beginner YouTube workout are all powerful ways to move. The key is to move often and move naturally. When you stop worrying about machines and start focusing on movement, exercise becomes less of a chore and more of a lifestyle. Tip 5, make workouts fun or you won't stick to them. The most underrated factor in weight loss is enjoyment. If your workout feels like punishment, you won't last, period. Science shows that people who enjoy their workouts are far more likely to stick with them long term. That's why the most successful beginners pick activities they actually like. For some, it's cycling outdoors. For others, it's a dance class, swimming, or group yoga. Even something playful like skipping rope can be a powerful calorie burner. The trick is to experiment until you find the one that doesn't feel like a burden. Once you enjoy it, consistency follows naturally, and consistency is the real key to weight loss. Weight loss isn't about punishing yourself with impossible routines, it's about building a foundation you can actually live with. Which of these tips will you try first? Share it in the comments and inspire someone else to start. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress, one step at a time.